After looking at many other systems, we decided to install this one in ULAB because we wanted to create a technology center. And it was very important to us that the people in ULAB, or the people we assumed that would be in ULAB, worked in the technology sector. It was hugely important to us that the technology was exploited and used by the people in ULAB. I think that the flexibility it provides us is adequate. We needed the SMARTair system to monitor the entire center. It's just as important to us to provide flexibility to the user as it is to have that flexibility, to know what the user's needs are and to anticipate them. In that sense, we also use the mobile solution. It allows us to provide these benefits to the user under many different circumstances. For example, if they've lost their card, they can still get around the center. Since implementing the SMARTair system, we've benefited from the fact that it goes hand in hand with the image of the center. Our image is very modern, and the image of SMARTair enables us to exploit this. In a center with more than 100 people coming and going all day, they can enjoy this freedom of movement and the system's ease of use. That was very important to us. In addition to the offices and co-working facility, we also hold events during which the amount of people in the center triples. We can't afford to wait around while someone controls all of that movement. Lastly, the system had to be autonomous and as easy as possible to manage, to meet the needs of the center. I would definitely recommend the SMARTair system because of the image and technology it provides.